Okay, has everybody gotten deciphered their other table groups grid? Everybody got it? Or are we still working? How much more time do we need? 1 minute? 2 minutes? Nope. Everybody good? 2 minutes? We're at 2 minutes. 2 minutes, then we'll be done. If you've already finished, I want you to draw and connect the lines on your sheet any way you want and make a shape. See what shape your points make, if they even make one. We connect A to B, C to D, D to E, and see if it makes a shape.
It makes a square.
Makes a square for you? See? Good plotters.
Missed two.
Not done yet. This is why. How do I turn this on? I'll project the rules.
Hold up.
Okay, so now we're going to go with a new activity. And it is Battleship, which I brought up in the beginning. How many of you guys have played Battleship before? Almost everybody? Okay, so this is Math Battleship, so it's a little different. We do it with coordinate grids. So I'm passing out your papers right now. As I pass out your papers, you're going to work with somebody at your table. Will be your partner for this. Okay. So whoever your partner was for the group activity, you already get one, will be your partner for this. So each player gets one of these grid sheets that you'll see as I pass them out. You can use a marker, you can use a pen, you can use a pencil to mark it. But you're going to choose, you'll have 5 different boats that you'll have. Your aircraft carrier is worth 5 points, so you're going to use 5 different marks on your grid, people. 5 different marks on your grid. Your battleship is 4 different points, so you're going to have 4 different points on your grid. Your cruiser is 3 points. You have 1 extra. Yep. And then it says on the top right what the other values of the boats are. But your ships are on the top left here. And what you're going to do is, for your battleship, you're going to mark 5 different coordinate points right in a line. Our ships are in a line, right? And any which way you want. They can be vertical, horizontal. Can't do sideways. Battleship. Can't do sideways. Either vertical or horizontal. Like that. So if it's my battleship, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I put a different spot to put my cruiser, which is 3 points. 1, 2, 3 over here. And my partner plots their ships like we would in a normal battleship where you have the screen and you put your little boat on. Does everybody remember that? Know how to do that? Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to guess back and forth who has, or try to hit the other person's ship. So you're going to put a little barrier up in between your guys so they don't see where your ships are. So make sure you put a barrier in between you. And if you say 0.35 and they say miss, we're going to mark our miss with an X. You can mark it in whatever color you want as long as it's an X. I think it says red on your sheet. But if you don't have a red, then that's fine. And then if I say 5-4 and my partner says hit, what do I mark? What's it say on your sheets? Check mark. Okay? So why don't you guys get it set up by starting to mark your points on your sheet? Questions? Good question? What's that? Oh. You can get privacy folders if you'd like. Set them up. And use those to cover your answers.
You need erase.
after you mark your points, make sure you circle your points like it's a ship, or create a little boat around it. Design it however you want.
No.
If you have any questions, let me know. The rest of the rules are right up here. If you have any disputes, or markups. That is a skill that I I'll get ready to do more. Oh, my mother-in-law is a high school teacher. My grandpa-in-law is a high school teacher. My uncle-in-law is actually an elementary principal. And so when I first got into that. Okay. Oh, there you go. So, I'm going
Wait, so you have to plot your ships. You should have 5 ships, right? So you plot 5 ships. So your aircraft carrier is 5 points. So like, where do you want to put You can label it with your partner. You got to decide you want halves or just full.
now.
Okay, so go 0 to as high as you can.
Oh wait, I'll just name it my
And then you just put the ships down. And the key in the gray box, it tells you the aircraft carrier needs 5 points. The battleship is 4 points.
So you would do it down here. So you go 1, 5.
From 0 to 10.
So
But
then,
remember, they can't have the same point, right? And they can't actually open it up and fly. Just think about the system of battleships. Alright, we have them all plotted. Look at hers, and let you know where the ships are. Alright, you're playing with, are you done with yours? All your ships on? All 5 of them? Okay, then you guys, you only have 1 ship on. All you have is the aircraft carrier.
so here, I'll show you guys a sheet.
Hey,
Here's my boats. This is what my boats look like. I tried to be cool and draw a design here, so don't worry about the line in between. I'm not a good artist. So I labeled my X and Y axes. I plotted 1, 2, 3, 4 points, so that's my battleship. I plotted 5 points here, so that's my aircraft carrier. 3 points here, my cruiser. And then 2 points for my, well, I didn't plot a submarine. 2 points for a patrol boat, so I need to add 3 different points for a submarine. And so then my partner would do the same thing. And for when I guess, I'm only going to go 6. When I guess, sorry.
there you go.
I guess down here. So I say to my partner, 0.25. And they'll tell me whether I hit. And if I hit, they'll mark a check mark. If I miss, they'll mark an X. And then, right here, miss, I mark my point over here. So my first guess was 1.5, and it was a miss, so I marked an X. My next guess was a 6-1, and I hit, so I marked a check. I'll leave this up here for you guys, so you can see. Use that as your example of how to base the rest of your, I stole a pencil, the rest of your games off of. So, does everybody understand that? Does that make more sense now? Okay, perfect. Visuals are way more important than I thought. That's not
Very visual
I would
learners.
read it. I would do it.
Yeah, they're very visual learners. Oh, black job. Oh, and it's going back to your home screen. So I don't know if you'll be able to.
That's okay. It
Get
should.
more or
I think
not.
it might actually still be recording. The green light's on.
Oh.
Sorry, Mr. Williams. Yep, it's good.
Yep. So he missed yours. You don't need to record his shots. You just record your shots. So on his, he marks. If you guess, say you missed 5-4, you put 5-4, and then if you hit, you mark an X, or you hit, you mark a check, and you miss, you mark an X. You record your shots. They'll record his. So 4-7 for you. You have a vote at 4-7.
So you have to.
A little. Oh, that part? Okay, so that part is where you mark your shots.
But when you don't
You would mark. You go this one. So you go to 5, 6, and then you still say hit or miss. So you said 5, 6, you gotta hit or miss. Miss. So you would mark an X at 5, 6 here, and then put 5, 6, and an X there. Like I did up there. Yep, because you missed. If you would have said 5, 6, and you would have hit, you would put 5, 6, and then a check mark there. And you don't need to record your shots, you just record your shots.
Whatever she says, you put that down, then you have to do the thing, and then it won't have you. So what did you say? Okay, I'm going to say.
Nope, you need to get all of the points to be a sponsorship. Remember that from Battleship? So if she hits one of yours, you mark check, so you know that you're getting close to this. So now that you hit her, now you have two ways to go up or down, side to side. So, uh-oh. You're on your tail now. Little trash talk.
Where the heck are you going? I know. Where you driving high? Alright, 6'2". Yeah, you said 6. The middle. Okay, so my turn.
Why, I never know.
Instead of 2, 1, 2. No, I didn't 6.
That's the last thing I would do.
3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna shoot. I missed it.
I didn't pass anything else. Viewed it. Nope, that was in Oh, good job. You say 2 of yours? Wow, you're really good. You catching up at all? Have you still been busy? Catch up.
I saw one of her ships.
Which ship? Okay.
Alright, you just shoot. 1, 6, 6. 1, 1.
Song for him? That's what I'm talking about. Over the coordinates. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8.
What ship did I say?
0, 4.
I'm not sure. Miss. So you have to go the cruiser. Miss. Okay. Look, I think I did read. Okay, your turn is 7. Your turn is 4. That's gonna be. Is it my turn to go? Yeah. Okay. 2, 1.
Do they just tap you right
Everyone must have that. I would say ours.
Okay, my hearts.
Super.
Yeah, it worked. Okay, perfect. So you guys can pack these away in your math binders. You'll continue this tomorrow. Then there are 4 index cards on your desks. I want you guys to draw a smiley face if you think I did well, or if you're happy with the learning that happened today. Middle face, like a straight face if I did okay, and then a frowny face if I did bad.
Wait, on what?
On an index card that's at your desk. I passed them out. Should be an index card for everybody. And then when you guys are done, you grab your binders, fill them out, and then you're going to hand me your index cards in line. You can take care of the grids. You can set them back up on the front desk over here. You can get that to me. Grid paper. No, you don't put your names on the index card.